Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on your DELL Inspiron 3530 laptop. To connect to a Wi-Fi network, first click these three icons on your taskbar to open the control center. Then make sure to turn on your Wi-Fi and click the arrow icon next to it to see the list of available Wi-Fi networks that you can connect to. Then select the Wi-Fi network to connect. If you want to connect to it automatically, hit the checkbox next to connect automatically option, and then click connect and provide the password to your Wi-Fi network into the following field and press enter. And then wait until you are connected. And at this point, that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.